New Hampshire is an equitable distribution state with a strong presumption of equal division. New Hampshire law presumes that marital property should be divided equally and requires specific findings to justify departing from the 50-50 split. New Hampshire's marital property definition includes all property acquired during the marriage. Separate property, premarital assets, gifts, and inheritances, is generally set aside, though the court can consider all property in fashioning an equitable result. New Hampshire is one of the states where marital fault, including evidence of domestic violence, abuse, or financial misconduct, can influence the property division, potentially shifting the division away from equal in favor of the innocent spouse. For creditors pursuing New Hampshire debtors, the individual debt analysis applies. One spouse's individual obligations are not automatically the other's liability. New Hampshire's homestead exemption is $120,000, a substantial protection that shields significant home equity from creditor execution. For creditors, real estate enforcement requires calculating the excess equity above this threshold. Wage garnishment in New Hampshire. New Hampshire follows the federal wage garnishment limits. New Hampshire does not recognize tenancy by the entirety, a notable departure from most New England states. Without tenancy by the entirety protection, jointly titled real property does not receive automatic creditor protection based on marital status. This absence of tenancy by the entirety makes New Hampshire real estate somewhat more accessible to individual creditors than in neighboring Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Maine, where tenancy by the entirety protections are robust. The $120,000 homestead exemption and the lack of tenancy by the entirety create a somewhat balanced enforcement environment, significant exemptions, but without the additional layer of entirety protection. People Locator skip tracing provides New Hampshire debtor location, asset investigation, and enforcement support. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.